Is it time to buy or sell Fangdd Network Group Ltd stock? In this video, we will explore Fangdd Network Group Ltd in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, and we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any company among 25,000 worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of September 23, 2024, our system has classified Fangdd Network Group Ltd as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving an impressive gain of 922.41% since we initially recommended purchasing Fangdd Network Group Ltd 8 days ago. This equates to an average return of 115.30% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts substantial volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could proceed in either direction. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 24.75% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 73.47% to 24.75%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a negative 6.76% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 92.62% and negative 65.18%. This translates to a price range of approximately 32.3 cents to $1 and 53 cents after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Fangdd Network Group Ltd includes the headline, "Significant movements in Fangdd Network Group Ltd stock price on Wednesday, shifting 28.65% between high and low." The Fangdd Network Group Ltd stock price increased by 29.20% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, rising from $3.39 to $4.38. This marks 5 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 28.65%, reaching a low of $3.63 and a high of $4.67. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 971.17% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 65 million shares, with a total of 84 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $366,850,000. It is important to consider that falling volume amid rising prices indicates divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the days ahead. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $4.67, while the lowest price was 32 cents. Currently, the price is 6.21%, or 290 cents, below the 52-week high, and 96.61%, or $124.66, below the all-time high reached on the 9th of June, 2020, when the price was $129.04. FangDD Network Group Ltd has recently garnered attention with its announcement of a registered direct offering of Class A ordinary shares priced at $1.55, raising $2,500,000 through the issuance of approximately 1,600,000 shares. While this move may dilute existing shareholders, It also reflects a crucial need for capital, which could influence investor sentiment in the near term. In a financial environment where cash flow is essential, such strategies to infuse capital may position FangDD for growth and stability. Additionally, FangDD is actively working towards a transition into real estate stock asset services, capitalizing on trends in the Chinese property market, where the focus is shifting from new developments to the management of existing assets. This long-term strategic shift not only tackles the saturation in China's housing market, but could also significantly enhance the company's market relevance, potentially improving its valuation as investors acknowledge this path for growth. These developments may incite short-term volatility as investors respond to immediate concerns about dilution. However, the company's long-term strategy may foster confidence over time. If successful, this could strengthen stock performance as FangDD aligns itself with evolving market trends, aiming to integrate into a trillion-dollar asset services market. Analysts have assigned Fangdd Network Group Ltd stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Fangdd Network Group Ltd. Fangdd Network Group Ltd's stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $2.03 and 74.6 cents. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 5, 2024, with the stock having risen by 1,096.72% since then. Continued upward movement is expected until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is worth noting that trading volume decreased on the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock warrants close monitoring. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal occurred 42 days ago. Bollinger Bands also indicated a buy signal 95 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 9 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages highlighted a buy signal 14 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average presented a buy signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 4 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Fangdd Network Group Ltd. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.39. Without support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is heightened, as a drop below this support could result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may exhibit considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock carries a very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $1.04 between its high and low, representing a change of 28.65%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 75.14%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Fangdd Network Group Ltd, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This essential metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings, implying financial losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their influence. However, if a company consistently reports negative PE ratios, it may suggest a lack of profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Fangdd Network Group Ltd. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, Fangdd Network Group Ltd. faces its first support level at $3.39. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.27, which represents a decline of 2.56%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in a significant level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index is at 97, further amplifying this risk. However, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 41 days ago. Is Fangdd Network Group Ltd. stock a good buy? Fangdd Network Group Ltd. presents several positive indicators. However, these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this point, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. After examining the volatility and trading patterns from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of October, we anticipate that Fangdd Network Group Ltd. will open lower by approximately 15 cents, starting the day at $4.23. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a lovely day from all of us here at StockInvest.